Hey guys, welcome to our tutorial. Today, we will learn how to add music to your Instagram post story. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. Step 2. To create a new story, you can either swipe right from your home screen or tap the camera icon in the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. Choose the photo that you want to post and tap on the sticker icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. Select the music icon from the list of available stickers. Step 5. Search for the song that you want to add to your story by typing in the name of the song or artist. You can also browse through the available options by selecting different genres or moods. Once you found the song that you want to add, tap on it to select it. Step 6. Use the slider to adjust the start and end points of the song. You can also choose to play the song in the background or have it to play automatically when someone views your story. Take your photo or video as usual, then automatically the music will be added to your story. Last step, once you finish creating your story, tap the send to button at the bottom of the screen, share it with your friends and followers. And that's it! Now you know how to add music to your Instagram story. With this feature, you can make your Instagram stories more engaging and fun for your friends and followers to watch. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is How to Web, and see you on my next tutorials.